Solitaire cache data normally needs to be tied to the same account on both devices, so checking the account first is the fastest way to find a sync problem. By the end, you'll know which account settings to check, how to refresh the app connection, and what to do before reinstalling Solitaire cache. Start on the device where your progress or balance looks correct. Open Solitaire cache and check which account or sign-in method is connected. Then open Solitaire cache on the second device, and confirm that it uses the same account and sign-in method. If one device is connected through a different login, its data may appear separate instead of matching the other device. Next, check whether both devices have a working internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary, then completely close Solitaire cache and reopen it. This forces the app to establish a fresh connection with its online account data. If the two devices still show different information, check for an available Solitaire cache update in the App Store or Google Play. Using different app versions can create compatibility problems, so update the app on both devices when an update is available. There is another useful test. Make a small change that should be saved to your account. Close Solitaire cache, reopen it, and then check the second device. If the change appears on one device but never reaches the other, the problem is more likely related to account synchronization than your phone's local storage. Avoid deleting Solitaire cache immediately. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the exact login or account method connected to your existing profile. Reinstalling without knowing the correct account details can make it harder to identify which profile contains your original data. On Android, you can also try clearing the app's cache through Settings, Apps, Solitaire Cache, and Storage. On iPhone, close the app completely and reopen it instead, because iOS does not provide the same individual app cache option. If your balance, purchases, or other account information still differs between devices after these checks, contact Solitaire Cache support and provide the account details they request. Do not create a second account just to test synchronization, because that can make the account situation harder to track. The main checks are simple. Use the same account on both devices, refresh the app connection, update Solitaire cache, and avoid reinstalling until your login details are confirmed. Your next step is to compare the account or sign-in method on both devices before changing anything else. If this fixed your sync problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.